Come here, baby girl. Can't zoom out, so I don't know how to do this by myself. Come here. Come on, parrot, get up. Good parrot. I shit on my kayak. That was really gross. Thanks, girl. Maybe that'll make it viral. You made a really nice day. A little bit poopy. A little bit poopy. Wow, that was pretty gross, man. Yeah, she's like a parrot, I guess. Come here, Poopy. Come here, Poopy. And my baby Poopy head. Yeah, well, my baby Poopy head, yeah. I love her. Alright, now she's gonna have to go fly. Clean your butt. Go clean your butt. Don't hunker down. You gotta fly. Or plop. And plop. Sorry, perception. My duck plops.